Which onboard air compressor is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Oler Hike Tire Inflator. First up is the Oler Hike Tire Inflator. This portable air compressor caught my eye with its dual power mode and sleek design, priced at just $29.99. If you want a super efficient and versatile inflator, this is worth a serious look. Plus, it can inflate up to 18 tires on a single charge, thanks to its impressive 6000 mAh battery. It even has a digital pressure gauge and auto shutoff, which helps avoid overinflation, a feature that genuinely surprised me. Now, some users mention that the unit can struggle with larger tires beyond 51 psi. Here's the thing though, if you're using it mainly for standard cars, SUVs, or bikes, it's a small trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, portable solution for quick tire fixes. Skip this one if you need something for heavy-duty vehicles or frequent high-psi usage. Given its price and performance, it's a solid deal. Now, if the Oler Hike's limitations bothered you, the next option is a heavy-duty alternative that might be just what you need. Product number 2, All-Top Air Compressor Kit. Next is the All-Top Air Compressor Kit, which has a hefty price tag of $189.99. But if you're serious about off-roading and need a powerful inflator, this is worth a serious look. With a max pressure of 150 psi and an airflow capacity of 12.35 cubic feet per minute, this dual-cylinder beast can inflate truck tires and 4x4 vehicles with ease. Imagine being able to fill up your off-road vehicle quickly after an adventure. That's the kind of convenience this compressor offers. It also includes safety features like an auto-thermal cutoff switch, so you can inflate without worrying about overheating. Now, I'll be real with you, some users found it a bit bulky and hard to store. But if you're driving a truck or an RV, that weight is a sign of durability, not just heft. This is perfect for you if you need a robust solution for large tires and off-road conditions. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight, as it's definitely on the heavier side. For serious off-roaders, it's worth it. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking a portable solution. Product number 3, VIAIR 88P Portable Compressor. Coming in hot is the VIAIR 88P Portable Compressor, priced at $89.89. It's compact and made for those who want something dependable without breaking the bank. If you value portability with solid performance, this is worth a serious look. Its compact design and heavy-duty motor make it a go-to for off-road enthusiasts. Plus, it comes with a built-in pressure gauge and LED work light, which genuinely surprised me for the price. However, some users mention that it could get hot after extended use, which can be a bit concerning. But honestly, with a duty cycle of 25 minutes, you just need to monitor it during those longer inflation sessions. This is perfect for you if you're looking for something portable that won't let you down. Skip this one if you need something for larger vehicles with bigger tires. For the price and performance, it's a fantastic buy. Now, if you're looking for something with advanced features, the next product is definitely worth your attention. Product number 4, Airlift Wireless One Compressor. Now let's talk about the Airlift Wireless One 2nd generation, which comes in at $652.51. I know that's a hefty price, but hear me out. If you want the luxury of wireless control, this might be exactly what you need. This compressor allows you to control your air suspension from a mobile app on your phone, making adjustments on the go super easy. It even has programmable presets, which means you can set it up to fit your specific needs. How cool is that? Plus, installation is quick and simple, reducing setup time by about an hour. However, the price might be a deal breaker for some. If you're not into tech or don't need the wireless features, it might seem excessive. But for those who do, the convenience is hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you have an air suspension system and want to manage it effortlessly. Skip this one if you're on a budget or prefer a basic inflator. For tech-savvy users, the investment could be worth it. Next up is a more budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. Product number 5, GSPSCN Heavy Duty Inflator. Finally, we have the GSPSCN heavy-duty inflator priced at $56.69. If you want something that's both affordable and effective, this is worth a serious look. This inflator boasts a maximum pressure of 150 psi and can inflate a standard vehicle tire in just 1 minute, which is impressive for its price range. Imagine inflating your tires without disturbing the piece. That genuinely surprised me. On the downside, some users reported it can be less durable over time. But honestly, for the price, it's hard to beat. Just take care of it and it should serve you well. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly yet efficient inflator. Skip this one if you need something heavy-duty for large vehicles. Given its price and quick performance, it's an excellent value. So there you have it, 5 onboard air compressors that cater to different needs and budgets. Whether you want something powerful like the All-Top or a portable option like the VIAIR88P, there's something for everyone. Just remember, the best choice depends on your specific requirements.